Hello, everybody. It is Monday, the 12th of October 2020, and this is our special Head Teacher Assembly. You know who I am, Mr. Kerbal, your head teacher. I am so proud to be head teacher of this wonderful Grange Primary School and all of you wonderful children and magnificent Grange adults. So we know at Grange, we want to be Grange CC learners, and we are going to learn a lot about what a CC learner is. Last week we spoke about wisdom. Remember, we saw this person and they are thinking and thinking and thinking. And if you think before you run and do something, then you can grow your wisdom strength. Wisdom is when you really think before you go and do something. So you make a good choice. Wisdom is, now can you just touch your ears please, everybody? Do this with your teachers and with your educators. Wisdom is good listening. Wisdom is kind words. Point at your lips so you remind yourself, when I talk, let me be kind and caring. And wisdom is kind hands. Put your hands out. So when we do something, we do it with kindness. We don't hurt. We care and we help and we use kind hands. So good listening, kind words, kind hands. Remember to think before you do anything, and that will help you to live with wisdom. And before you run and do something, try and think, am I doing the right thing? Am I doing good listening? Am I doing kind words? Am I doing kind hands? Now, can you see over here? I think this is a panda, and I think he's a bit sad because the panda wants to give a hug. We need to be safe because it's a difficult time for everybody with coronavirus. So, can you give yourself a selfie hug? I'm sure your teachers and your educators have shown you what a selfie hug looks like. And we've brought that into Grange. So everybody, what you need to do is stretch your hand out as if you're going to give somebody else a hug, but then wrap it around yourself. And that is called a selfie hug. So everybody, let's give ourselves a lovely selfie hug. Now, can you count to 3 with me, please? 1, 2, 3. Well done, everybody. Now, we're going to count again to 3. And when we get to 3, we're going to say, I love learning. That will really help you, give you like a superpower of wisdom. So when we get to 3, we're going to say together, should we practice? I love learning. Say it, everybody. I love learning. So now we're going to count to 3, and then we'll all say it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I love learning. Well done, everybody. You are so great, and I am so proud of all of you. So, can you see the little bee there? And can you see the really happy person over there with a big smile? That is CC. Put your hand on your heart. Be confident. Give love to yourselves. And now can you put your hand out and circle it around outwards towards the world and everybody and say, I'm considerate. I care about everybody. Hand on your heart, confident. Circling hand outwards, looking around, looking out for everybody. That's considerate. And you can practice with your teachers and your educators or the Grange adults. You can practice Grange CC walking and Grange CC lining up. Who are our stars of the week? Well, Mohammed Aftab, you got gold. And Murray Glenna, you got gold. And Mohammed A, you got gold. Ryan K, you got gold. Aliyah, you got gold. Avia, you got gold. Houston, you got gold. And Lewis, you got gold. Well, proud of all of you. Well done, gold people. Our whole Grange community has loads and loads of points. And that's why we're saying, get ready, Freddy. Can you see this lovely dog over here? His name is Freddy, and he belongs to Miss Edwards, who is our deputy head teacher. And I've told Freddy how brilliantly the children of Grange are doing. They're getting so many points. You can ask your teachers and educators to even show you our class charts on the board. But you're getting so many points, so Freddy has to make us a video, because we said we were going to make enough points, and Freddy said, really? And we said, yes. And Freddy said, well, you're making so many points, I'm going to make you a video. So let's look forward to that video and keep getting lots and lots of class charts points, please. Can you see the green? Be great, be Grange. Oh, that's our favorite one. Did you see it spin? So let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Children, adults, everybody in Grange EYFS, enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.